Welcome back to part 2. This is where things get interesting. Anyways, we took it apart last time, and now we're going to put it all back together. And we're going to have to mod this case, because otherwise I don't have a traditional heat sink anymore, so liquid cooler, and I need an exhaust. So, I want to keep my rat case. I really have no choice on this. So here's what I've done so far. I've test fit the board and the power supply. And I've put in the video card as well. Make sure everything is going to fit lengthwise here. But one issue I have is I plan to put the heat sink. Here it is, by the way. And I got the Intel version. There's, I don't know, I can't remember who else makes them, but what the hell. So anyways, basically radiator like on your car or fridge, and the fan pushes air through, and the wires connect up. So what happens is, the only place I have for it is right there. And that goes like that. So what I've done is I've marked, there's a rail here for the hard drive rack. So I marked that line. It's in pencil. Erase it. And then here's the power supply. So that's the space I have to work with. I took the center point and I marked that. And what I have is a template of a 120 millimeter fan. And what I want to do, a speed square here. Put it on the center line. And then just the center. What I do is take some masking tape and double check again. I've got it tacked down. Alright, so that is, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to actually measure it with a real ruler. It's on a half inch and 5/8, which is good. Almost 5/8 from that line. And that is square.